Hello children, today we're going to be learning about how to write using tone. Tone belongs under the voice trait of writing because it helps you write in a way that shows your individual personality. So what is tone? Tone is the attitude of the author, that's you, to what he or she is writing about. When you use tone, you show your feelings about the subject that you're writing about. And when you show your feelings, you influence the way the reader feels about your topic as well. It's a funny thing with information texts, because long ago, people didn't use very much tone at all when they wrote them. Authors used facts in their texts and examples, but you couldn't really tell how they were feeling about what they were writing about. Times have changed. These days, we tell the reader what we are feeling and we try to get them to feel as we are feeling about the text that we're writing about. If you reread the introduction that I've written to my gardening text, you will sense my passion for the topic, and it should influence how you feel as well. Let's reread. Have you ever wanted to create your own garden? This text will give you all the information you need to know to get started. People have been gardening for centuries. Did you know that the world's oldest garden is located in Italy? It's called the Botanica di Padova. This garden was originally planted to grow plants that could be used for medicine in the year 1545. That's almost 500 years ago. So how do we show our feelings in our writing? How do we write using tone? Well, here are some tricks you could try. Try connecting with your reader by referring to them. Use the word you when you write. Emphasize something that excites you by using an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Ask the reader a question. Use facts and examples that you personally find fascinating. Include a personal observation. Maybe start with the words, "I've noticed that." Use interesting words when describing things. And try using humour. So now it's your turn. Think about showing your attitude towards your topic. Get your plan and revise your introduction to show your feelings. You can either type it on the slide or work in hard copy and attach a photo. We can't wait to see your work.